Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a ChatGPT Chrome extension. Let's get started. So once you've opened up Chrome, there are two ways to access the web store. One is if you open up a new tab, you're going to notice that the web store option is right here next to add shortcut. And then the other way is to go to the top right and then select the three dots. And then you go to look for something which says extensions. Now, after you select extensions, you're going to see it says visit Chrome web store. So we're going to select that. So now you're going to go to the search bar and you're going to type in Chat GPT Chrome extension and click on enter. So now there are various options that you can choose from. You can select ChatGPT and YouTube summary by GLASP, Web ChatGPT, ChatGPT with internet access. So we're going to select this one for example. And now what you need to do is go to the right side and then click on Add to Chrome. Now it says Add ChatGPT and YouTube Summary by GLASP. So you're going to select Add Extension. And there you go. Get video transcript in one click. So you can just click on Next here if you want. Highlight YouTube videos. Next. Summarize with custom prompt and your favorite AI models. Then Next. And there you go. You can also summarize web pages and PDFs. Then click on Done. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.